Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Motorola G85 Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you another useful tip. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on the caller ID announcement feature. So this is very useful if you're in your bed and you're sleeping and you hear the phone ringing. You don't have to actually look at the phone to know who's calling once you turn this feature on. The phone will actually announce the caller's name. That's right, people. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to turn it on and just follow the steps that I'm about to show. So to turn it on, just open up the dialer and then select the 3 pins up here in the top left-hand corner. Then select Settings and scroll all the way down to where it says Caller ID announcement and select it, and then select Announce Caller ID. Okay, so when you first get the phone, it's set to never by default. However, we have the option to set it to always or only when using a headset. I recommend selecting always. And now I'm just going to demonstrate how it works. Okay, so let's say I'm in my bed sleeping. I'm very tired. And I hear the phone ringing, but I don't want to look at it.
Incoming voice call from Jerome. Hello, Moto.
It tells me exactly who's calling.
Incoming voice call from Jerome.
It tells me that my brother Jerome is calling me.
Incoming voice call from Jerome.
So this is a really good feature. I recommend turning it on. It's definitely a feature that I use every day. Anyway, it's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Remember to like the video, share the video. Deuces.